what's going on, everyone? It's your buddy Pro here, and it's the weekend vlog number 5. I hope you have something awesome planned for this weekend. I'm trying to get out of the house and do something before it gets way too hot today. I'm about to throw the air conditioners on. That's the temperature right now. 76.6. See what it is inside. 79.7. It's getting hot out there. I texted Tierney to see if he wanted to go out and do something. I don't know. But yeah, Amanda's working right now. I cleaned my fish tank yesterday. Spent some time on that. Look at the new rug I got. I got that new rug yesterday. And I got that new rug yesterday too. I got this disgusting thing on the TV right now. Look at that. You see that? That is so freaking gross. Ugh, nasty. Titanoboa monster snake. So yeah, a little different from last weekend's weekend vlog because I'm not doing the floor. Yay! It's so nice that it's actually done now and it looks a million times better. That means it's time for another project. And the project on the horizon this time is right there. Windows. And these are the windows we're replacing. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 windows. Yep, so it's 11:05 right now. And Amanda just stopped by. She had to grab the camera because she has a wedding to do. So she's going to go use that to take some pictures. So I'm using the iPhone right now. And my buddy Nick asked me if I wanted to go up to his house. So that's where I'm heading right now and see what's going on up there. How many animals a week do you, does a cat bring home?
Oh, at least 20.
At least 20?
Yeah, at least 1 or 2 every day.
So apparently Nick's got some presents his cat left him up here. What did your mom say? There was a squirrel, a rat.
See underneath the door.
Oh shit, yeah.
There's one of the things.
Oh, there's a squirrel.
Up the street killing squirrels. Look at that thing.
It's mauled. What else was there? Isn't that? That's a bird. That's a rat.
It's a rat.
That's a bird. It's a rat.
It's another.
There's another
over there.
Jesus, bro.
I told you, I mean, he's a champ, bro.
That is disgusting. That's definitely been there for more than a few days, man.
Oh yeah, I know that. Because we get lost, we fucking lose track of them all.
There you go. Couple of shovels for the furry fellas.
Should we start over here first?
Oh my god. That's cringeworthy. Oh, look at all the animals crawling out. Oh, that thing's longer than we thought.
Damn, you can see his fucking skull. That's the bird's skull.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, we got another one back here. Let's just... Imagine if it got back up right now. That'd be nuts. Oh yeah, yo, you know, it'd be funny if you put that all in a neighbor's mailbox. So this is a cat that brought all those presents. Alright everyone, so long story short, Nicholas and myself decided to go for a little drive and we ended up, well, maybe we could turn around there. Nope, we can't. So we ended up off-roading somewhere and then took a couple of wrong turns down roads that, what would you say? They weren't productive roads,
No,
right? Not productive roads, and now this is where we are. So yeah, this is a weekend vlog. I wanted to find some excitement and adventure. Jesus, look at that. It's like it's snowing with freaking dandelions, eh? Alright, yeah, so I made it home a little while ago. My phone had died. Amanda just got here, just got the camera back. I'm gonna have her give me a haircut right now. Right now that I'm all changed, let's get a haircut. The hairdresser. Put my feet in the tub.
Grab my phone. Where my keys at? I know you locked my car.
Mama,
Wake up.
yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much. Alright, ready? You gotta sit up.
I am sitting up.
Put your head
I put my feet in the tub. How do I look? Do I look better?
What do you mean?
I look better with my haircut. And this, a slight shave. Yeah, it's recording. Slight shave. Oh, you got this thing all greasy. It's 5 o'clock now. We're gonna eat dinner in like an hour. And then, I don't know, figure out something to do. This is what I'm doing right now. Took the cover off the air conditioner and I cleaned all this out. I clean this out like every other week. And I don't know, there's always dust in here. I mean, I guess that means it's working. Strange. Okay, so just finished dinner. Had salmon and Spanish rice. Oh, that's what it said on the bag. She's gonna make some Spanish rice for us this week on Thungry Thursday.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, she is. So we had salmon, Spanish rice, and tuna salad. Kind of fishy, eh? So now we're gonna go to the gas station and then figure out something to do. We gotta figure out our plans for this week because Amanda's got a couple days off. Here, I'll help you start the car.
You said don't start it yet.
Yeah, but you can start it now. Turn off the radio because we don't want to listen to that music. And yeah, so we got to figure out what the hell is that?
Water bottle?
Yeah, right. So we got to figure out something to do because Amanda's got a couple days off this week. So I don't know, we might go to the beach, might go to Mount Washington. I don't know. That's what we're going to be planning right now. So yeah.
No beach near Mount Washington.
No beach near Mount Washington. Look at that squirrel. It's strange. Yeah, so we just left Feeney's and gotta head on home now, I guess. Got some ice cream. Amanda said her eyes hurt, so I said ice cream! That's gonna do it for tonight. I'll see you in the morning. Yeah, lad, vlog's not over yet, or day's not over yet. Check this out. Just had to show you that sky up there. Look at that. Pretty ridiculous, huh? And it's Sunday morning. Turn the light on. There we go. Time to do some laundry. Gotta water the lawn, water the garden. And then I gotta go out and film Moto Monday. So yeah, come along with me for a little bit. What do you think? Think I can carry both of these with one hand and carry the camera with the other? I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, it's gonna be heavy. Okay. Thank you, squirrel. See these two keys? These two keys right here. Got a surprise. And there she is. If you guys are going to want to see what's under here, tune in tomorrow for Moto Monday. I'm going to go film the episode right now. I'll see you in a second. So yeah, I just got home. Going to put together the rest of the weekend vlog and upload the footage for Moto Monday. Probably edit that tonight, get that out there tomorrow morning. Amanda's going to be heading over, figure out something else to do for today. But that's going to wrap it up for the weekend vlog. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment down below, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll be seeing everybody tomorrow for Moto Monday. Peace.